Boys and girls, this is our read aloud for today. The title of this book is If You Were an Adjective by Michael Dahl, illustrated by Sarah Gray. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Looking for adjectives? Watch the big colorful words in the example sentences. If you were an adjective, you would be colorful, brilliant, dazzling, feathery, many-legged, slimy. If you were an adjective, you would work side by side with nouns. A noun names a person, place, or thing. As an adjective, you would be busy describing nouns. An elephant is a noun. If you were an adjective, you would tell us about the elephant. The great elephant is gigantic and wet. The sparkling water cools down the hot elephant. So you can see on this page the words in the special font and the colored font. These are the adjectives. If you were an adjective, you would tell us how a person, place, or thing looks. The slender swimmer snaps a photo of the enormous whale in the deep blue water. Can you find the adjectives in this sentence? If you were an adjective, you would describe things. The tiny kittens are fluffy. The little piglets are pudgy and pink. The colorful peacock's tail is big and bright. Boys and girls, adjectives make your sentences more interesting. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something sounds. The howler monkey is loud. The boa's movement is silent. The quiet mouse watches and waits. All of these words describe how these animals sound or how they move. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something feels. The alligator's back is rigid and bumpy. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something behaves. The fearless plover is careful when it picks at the alligator's teeth. If you were an adjective, you might be a proper adjective. A proper adjective describes a specific object and it's always capitalized. In the winter, the Arctic fox's coat turns white to blend in with the snow of the Alaskan tundra. So here, Arctic and Alaskan are the proper adjectives. If you were an adjective, you could compare things. You would change your ending to show how things are different. You would be a comparative adjective if you compared two things. The turtle is small. The tree frog is smaller. You would be a superlative adjective if you compared three things. The lion is fast. The antelope is faster. The swift is the fastest of the three. You could be bad, worse, worst, or good, better, best if you were an adjective.